Dire team ban. Radiant team ban. Dire team pick. Radiant team pick.
Alchemist.
Dire team pick. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Dire team ban. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Radiant team ban. Dire team ban. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Radiant team ban. Radiant team pick. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Dire team pick.
Crystal
Radiant
Maiden.
team pick. Dire team pick. Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Reserve time. Radiant team ban.
This is now game number 5 of this best of 5 series. 2-all is the score. Ateneo de Davao stringing 2 wins in a row to force a game number 5, and the momentum is surely on their side. Para naman dito sa team ng Precious. Kasalanan nung ano nila yan, Queen of Pain tsaka Chef kanina. Diyos ko naman, Lord. Wala si tropang Wonderwall napa-wonder why kung bakit nagkaroon pa ng game number 5 dahil lamang na sila kanina. Pero this time Cypher with an Alchemist, Ember, Maiden, Night Stalker pick dito. Team ng Precious, they have Tuskar, Slardar, Wind Ranger, and Disruptor in their side. So we are now down to the last pick and last ban for both teams. Tignan natin kung makukumpleto ba ng Cypher ang comeback dito o magigising na sa katotohanan ang team ng Precious. Last ban is the Spirit Breaker para dito sa team Cypher. Darkseer naman ang last ban ng team. Bakit kayo ban ng Darkseer? Darkseer ang ban dito for team Precious. CITU versus Ateneo de Davao. Rock Knight 2. NCCL. This is Duno from Minaski TV. Binabati ko maayong gabi sa inyong tanan sa mga taga Davao at saka taga Cebu. Kapit bayan again. Malapit na magbukas ang Minaski sa may CITU sa darating na November 5 daw ang opening niyan. So, kita-kits tayo dyan. Bounty Hunter last pick for Team Precious. Clockwork naman ang last pick dito for Team Cypher. Makilala natin ang mga gumagamit pagpasok natin sa in-game. Check natin muna. Chill lang tayo dito. Ako nga chill lang ako. Chill. Ba't pinupost pa? Nagpo-post reconnect pa. Ba't kaya lagi hindi naman sila mag-reconnect sa pickings? Re-reconnect pa sila sa mismong game. Okay lang, sige, check natin. Hintayin natin makabalik ang mga taga-team Cypher dito ng Davao. Just reconnected na raw. Okay, para sa CITU, Kintaro on the Slardar aggression using the Tuskar. So we will be seeing Precious on the Wind Ranger, Kaaro using the Bounty Hunter, and Keika Yudori using the Disruptor. Para naman dito sa kabila mga kaibigan, Clockwork being used by Connor, Jimtoki on the Crystal Maiden, Alchemist played by Eman Almighty, Night Stalker for Duroki Phobia, at Excuro on your Emberino Masterino. Looking for kills dito mga kaibigan ng team ng Precious ng CITU. Magkahanap sila ng kalaban dito sa may Radiant Jungle, pero wala silang matatagpuan. Clockwork placing a observer wards dito, so they will have vision. So both teams just will trying to secure yung bounty rune for their mid lanes. Medyo delikado ang Cypher dito given the fact that may ganda ang early combos dito ng team ng CITU. Clockwork Wind Ranger mid up against the Alchemist mid. And Bounty Hunter plus 500 gold. Easy 500 para dito kay Alchemist. At Alchemist, alam naman natin na yan ang hari ng ginto. Hari ng ginto. And of course, this Greebil's Greed mga kaibigan. So, Alchemist mid lane up against the Wind Ranger. Bounty Hunter will try to snipe yung courier dito. And Maiden just staying in the jungle. Ayan, discarding Marino lang siya rito. Going for that neutral creeps. Bounty Hunter, he will try to snipe itong courier at mukhang magtatagumpay siya. Pero hindi, it will be the CM actually carrying that battle, but the first blood secured mga kaibigan. It is the Disruptor getting a kill on that Clockwork at eto. Boom. Naging courier ang CM at mission failed si Bounty Hunter dito. Napakalungkot ng buhay niya. So sad for BH not being able to snipe the courier. Binabati ko si J-Tin Peria. Nanunood daw sila sa shop nila rito. At ito, Bounty Hunter. Susubukan niya nakawin. Oh! Nanakaw ng Bounty Hunter. Easy, panisi. At sinaksak-saksak niya rito ang si Crystal Maiden. So, Crystal Maiden needs to be careful dahil this Bounty Hunter will probably stay here near the mid lane para mamboset lang. Pero, okay lang. Hindi naman siya nakakuha ng XP dyan. Samantala, Alchemist is 8-0 up against a 11-5 na Windrunner. So, pero alam naman natin, mahirap mag-slack off laban sa Alchemist since Alchemist will be able to get those gold na kailangan niya in order to get that early radiance, but this time he won't be able to get the bounty rune. Instead, he will settle for a illusion rune dito. Samantala, Crystal Maiden naman placing a sentry wards and he will be able to deward. Oh no! Kinain mga kaibigan, wala kasi siyang ano rito. Oh, may sentry ward siya. Wala naman siyang tango, so hindi niya makakain yan. Pero pwedeng i-quelling blade. Oh, huli ka balbon. Na frostbite ka. Masyado akong magulo, Bounty Hunter. At ayun, ako kinain pa ni Alchemist sa ginto pa, kinonvert pa sa gold mga kaibigan. So Bounty Hunter, he won't be able to scout the jungle anymore since meron ng sentry wards yan. And Alchemist of course will be the leading hero in terms of net worth all throughout the laning phase since there is no real pressure dito. Bounty Hunter will be forced to rotate to the offlane nila mga kaibigan. Will try to aid itong Tuskar nila since he is being harassed down dito by the dual lane ng Team Cypher. Here comes the Slardar and here comes Clockwork trying to go for a kill dito. Gusto nila yan mga kaibigan, naghahabol sila, inubos ang mana and this is a good opportunity para dito sa Clockwork. Clockwork popping that. He will be stumped dito and that is another kill and Clockwork going down for the second time in this game. Crystal Maiden will just settle to this stock to the camp dahil alam naman niya kaya naman talaga magubat ng CM dito since meron siyang frostbite. Slardar getting 2 assists. It is actually the Disruptor getting those 2 kills. He is now up to 2. CS2 denies and 2 kills dito. So 2-2-2 mga kaibigan. Illuminati mode. Para dito sa team. Para dito sa Disruptor. Well, walang makukuha ang bounty ron nata dito tong si Alchemist And Alchemist now up with a early Hand of Midas. So more gold going in favor of Alchemist dito. Tuskar however dying sa dual lane nga ng Night Stalker and Ember Spirit. Ember is now sitting at level 4. Nearing level 5 siya rito. And Night Stalker with the teleport. They want the kill on that Night Stalker mga kaibigan. Or that Slardar. Slardar being chased down here. Here comes the stomp. Night Stalker playing very aggressive dito sa laban natin na to. There's the cog. Night Stalker, one more hit. He will be able to hit. No, he won't get that kill. And that is actually the Night Stalker was killed. Naghati-hati daw sila. Pero Alchemist, tignan natin kung tuloy-tuloy pa ang pagyaman niya rito. He is now 3,400 in terms of net worth. Boots is up on him. Hand of Midas. There's the Acid Prey. Wind Ranger is 2.5 in terms of net worth. At eto, tuloy-tuloy lang siya dito. Sinapak niya mga kaibigan. Acid Spray. Ayan. May diskarte. Iyapi. At eto, may Midas siya in 4 second. That is another kill on your Ember Spirit mga kaibigan. Nagpakamatay yata siya sa... Saan siya nagpakamatay? Ha? Gulo. Hindi ko alam pero nagpakamatay siya. Clockwork is now level 5 and now level 6. Tignan natin kung saan una magro-rotate ang Clockwork dito. Night Stalker. Chasing mga kaibigan. Dahil gabi na ngayon, he is now sitting at level 4. Alchemist is now level 7. And eto na. Nagsisimula ng palawigin ng Alchemist mga kaibigan ang kalamangan niya dito sa laban natin na to. Dahil meron na siyang 4K in terms of network, solidong breezy yan. Ember is low on HP, currently sitting at level 6. Clockwork, level 6 na siya rito pero hindi pa siya nagro-rotate. He is just using that cogs in order to drain out the mana nitong Slardar and company. Ember Spirit, pinapalibutan siya rito mga kaibigan. Here comes the Tuskar. Here comes Ember being chased down. Here comes the Night Stalker as well. There's the Walrus Punch. Ember, one more hit, he will go down and he will go down. Surprisingly, hindi niya pinap dito. And that is a Bounty Hunter going down mga kaibigan. Here comes the Night Stalker still chasing. Oh no, here comes the Frost Nova mga kaibigan. And the Frostbite. Killing spree para dito sa Disruptor. But that is a 2-4-3 trade in total. Double kill for your Night Stalker. Alchemist will just continue to farm in the mid lane to further enhance yung kalamangan nila in terms of net worth. Alchemist now 5,300 in terms of net worth dito sa laban natin na to. Still no point on that concoction, unstable concoction or that disable na meron siya. At ang gagawin niya na dito, farm. Ayaman. Chop ka boy. Chop chopin niya lang lahat yan. May 2.5 na siya sa ginto Yun ang pinaka-pet malong dyan, 2.5. And it will be the Bounty Hunter. We'll try to get that bounty rune. Oh no! But it will be the Alchemist getting that bounty rune. Tignan natin dito. Walrus Punch will be able to take down the Alche. Pero eto na, Balanar. Again, they will go for the kill dito. Here comes the Shackle Shot connecting on the Night Stalker. They might get a kill as well dito on that Crystal Maiden. But here comes Ember Spirit mga kaibigan. They will try to go for a chase. Here comes the Clockwork. Hook shot is available. There's the hook shot expended. And that is a Wind Ranger. Continuous chase on that Night Stalker. Triple kill coming in from your Tuskar. Despite going down. And here comes the Clockwork with his first rotation. Papabalikin siya rito, talipat sandaan. Well, that is a much needed kill on the Alchemist, since Alchemist is now sitting with 2,600 gold, which means that he is now nearing yung threshold niya for that relic. And the Radiance, of course, will be his second item na leaning towards the gold dahil may Midas siya dito. Kinain niya mga kaibigan. At nako, 3-1 gold na siya dito. So, ang ganda ng timing ng Alchemist dito. And Team Precious, they are in a really bad position dito. Kanina, a couple of hours ago, they are on their way of sweeping the series. Pero ngayon, lamang pa rito. Para sa akin, itong team ng kita mo, lamang sila in terms of gold. Ito na si Night Stalker, lumaban ng mga kaibigan, pero delikado sila rito. Here comes the Clockwork. Will he go for that hook shot? Here comes the hook shot. Night Stalker still alive. Bounty Hunter going down. But here comes the Ember Spirit. The Alchemist as well. They will take down 2. That will end up as a 2-for-2 trade. And they can actually go for more chase dito mga kaibigan. Rocket Player, Searing not being able to connect. And the Wind Ranger will secure a double damage rune. Alchemist now with 3,400 gold. 4 point on that Grayble's grid, which means that more gold incoming for Alchemist dito mga kaibigan. Slardar sprinting towards the bounty rune and will try to deny Alchemist nun. Pero Alchemist will just settle for the golds in the mid lane. And Relic will be up on him very soon. Slardar, medyo nahuli siya ron. He is now up with the power threads. And this Bounty Hunter is sitting at level 5, not yet level 6. Multiple deaths for Bounty Hunter, going down 3 times already with 5 assists and no kills. Here comes the Alchemist, and now Relic will be up on him since he have sufficient gold to buy that expensive Relic at Radiance. Ang to follow na rito is the recipe. And 4,100 gold, just like that. 10 minutes into the game. Oh my god. And he is now about 3,000, make that 2,200 gold away. Here comes the hook shot. Here comes the glimpse back. The glimpse back, Alchemist. Pinipilit niya dito sa Windrunner with double damage rune. Here comes the Moonshard. Oh my god, this is looking bad. And Alchemist will go down. Shackle shot won't connect. Pero tingnan natin kung mapapatay nila mga kaibigan. Too quick to react dito mga kaibigan. Etong team ng but here comes the Night Stalker. Oh no, Searing Chains, power shot. Ay, nako, patay dito mga kaibigan ng Wind Ranger. Nagkakabakbakan dito. Here comes the Frostbite. Here comes the Cog. And it is now a Walrus down. Slardar will try to go with dito. Nakaspread siya mga kaibigan. They want this kill on the Night Stalker. They've managed to take down 2 already. There's the track mga kaibigan. And that is another track kill going in favor of the Cebuano. But Team Sniper, they are still in this game. They are just 4 kills away. I mean 4 kills ang discrepancy natin dito. Pero network still favoring itong ng Bagya ang team ng Cyper dito. Cyper pala lamang, sorry. At malapit na siya magka-regions dito. Well, Slardar with those track kills, they will be able to at least win in terms of gold dito mga kaibigan. As you can see, Slardar is just 600 gold away of that dagger na kailangan niya in order to initiate. Alchemist is quite squishy at this point since meron lamang siyang 3 armor and he's just 300 gold short away of that Radiance. And after the Radiance, I think he will start to build towards the armor or HP even dito to be that fighting to be in that fighting form, especially when dealing against a Slardar with amplified damage. Kailangan mong baguhin ang buhay mo dahil that minus 10 armor is will really take you down. At ito na, Alkelicious mga kaibigan. Tignan natin dito, trabaho lang siya mga kaibigan. Yapi. Gold ka boy. Oh no, nagkabakbaka dito. There's the glip back. Pinabalik mga kaibigan. So we are now seeing a 1v3 dito sa bottom lane. Here comes the Ice Shard mga kaibigan. Pero Ember Spirit will try to escape. Here comes the Shackle Shot. It won't connect. Ember will escape. Tignan natin mga kaibigan. But the track was on him. Hinahabol siya rito. Here comes the Snowball. Oh my god. Delikado siya rito. And walang nag-teleport para sa team niya rito. Crystal Maiden now being chased down. The Shackle Shot won't connect. There's the clip back. And this will be another track kill mga kaibigan. And that is 2 heroes down. Alchemist not even going there. Mga oh no, this Alchemist boy. Instead, prioritizing yung kanyang farm dito. Clockwork, medyo delikado siya dahil hinuko siya. Actually, yun doon yung Clockwork kaso ginlip back siya eh. So, Slardar now with the dagger dito sa laban natin na to. And, delikado. Itong team ng narito. Oh my god. Tinrak. Tignan natin. Night Stalker. They want the kill mga kaibigan pero hindi nila inabutan dito. Wala, nagtago sa puno. Clockwork will be spotted. Here comes the track. Here comes the ice shards. The snowball. The walrus punch. But he will be able to pop that magic stick. Here comes Slardar. Here comes the Cog. Here comes Slardar blinking in. Oh my goodness. Blade Mail. Rocket. And here comes the Night Stalker. They want this Gondar kill mga kaibigan. This Bounty Hunter kill. But Bounty Hunter will be able to escape. No. Instead, he will go down. They will lose 3. Wind Ranger is there. Here comes CM, however. Power Shot won't hit. Slardar finishing the job. But here comes the Night Stalker. They want this kill. Shackle Shot won't connect. Air, they will continue on the chase. Pero mabilis ang Wind Ranger. Mabilis din dito ang Slardar. But here comes the Void. Oh no, Frostbite will be available. Here comes the Frostbite. It will miss. And the Bite taking its toll. Oh my god. Patay pa. Naku po, pero oh no, the Night Stalker with the double kill and the Disruptor going in dito. He popped his ultimate. He want this kill on the Night Stalker and he will get it. They will lose 3. And Alchemist walang pakialam sa mga teammate niya mga kaibigan. Trabaho lang kung trabaho. Pera-pera lang ang usapan dito. Pera-pera lang. Here comes the snowball. Nandito na naman ang Alchemist pero wala na naman siyang ginagawa mga kaibigan. Ayaw niya tulungan talaga yung mga kampi niya. Here comes the Blade Mail. Alchemist nagmamadali rito. Tignan natin kung magbibilang siya. They pop the ultimate at ito nagbibilang siya. Unstable Concoction. Unstable Concoction bumalik. Here comes the Ember Spirit. He will finish the job dito. Hindi niya alam kung ano gagawin niya. There's a sleight of piece. Oh no. Oh no. Talaga dito si Alchemist mga kaibigan. Trabaho lang. Trabaho portion lang. At may Boots of Travel na rin siya rito. He is now sitting at 10k in terms of net worth. Here comes the Bounty Hunter. He will be caught here. And he will go down with that freezing peel. The Walrus Punch. Alchemist too tanky. Here comes Slardar going in however. But the Night Stalker was here as well. Here comes the Searing Chains mga kaibigan. Delikado dito ang Ember Spirit. He will go down as well. Nagbaka-bakbakan pa rin dito mga kaibigan. And hindi na natigil ang action dito sa bottom lane. Slardar will go for the kill dito. Tingnan natin, medyo makunat ang Night Stalker at with the movement speed lalaban siya rito. Instead, they will lose 4. CM, nakatrack siya rito. Sumiksik siya sa puno. Para walang makakita sa kanya rito. Tago siya. At ito ang gusto ng mga Cebuano na laban since alam nila na hindi sila uubra sa farming game. Dahil they are up against an Alchemist. Which is actually sitting with Radiance, Midas, and Travel. Once na makakuha si Alchemist ng mga mga totoong fighting item, it will be much more harder for them to take him down. So since kailangan lang gumawa ng opportunity to take him down and delay his item as much as possible, he is now sitting with 10k net worth. He is 3,500 ahead over the Wind Ranger and that is a massive gold lead in 16 minutes in the 16-minute game. Actually, we're looking at a GPM natin mga dito. Bang gold per minute natin dito? 668 for Alchemist. That is his GPM dito sa laban natin na to. Which is napakataas niya na. Even though 3 beses siya namamatay dito with only just 1 kill. Magtatrabaho lang tong Alke na to. I think the key here for Cypher to win this game is they need more sentry wards, more vision in order to counteract that Bounty Hunter. Because since Alchemist is doing quite well in farming, in terms of farming, hindi naman nagpapahuli itong team ng Precious since they have Bounty Hunter sa laban natin na to. So any even trade dito sa laban natin na to with is actually going in favor of Team Precious since they have the Bounty Hunter which is with track kills dito, track gold everywhere for your Bounty Hunter. 9 assists, 5 kills, 4 kills, 5 deaths. Bounty Hunter Bounty Hunter is Bounty Hunter pa rin. Walang pakakapigil. Bounty Licious, Bounty Hunter. Ember Spirit, sinubukang hulihin dito. At nahuli nga siya rito. Here comes the Rocket Flare. Pero hindi sila mag-i-engage dito. Up with 2,800 gold now going level 14 dito sa laban natin.
top
Alchemist
tower is under attack. Radiant
is here in the top lane. He will look to defend. Wind Ranger nandito. Tignan natin. Boom! Concoction. Shackle shot connecting. And he will take down the tower. Here comes Lardar going down. Alchemist has popped his ultimate dito. Pero there's the Crystal Maiden with the freezing field. Oh no! And here comes Ember Spirit. He will finish the job. Alchemist going down, but itong team, the Cebuanos, they will lose 2 hero in that particular sequence. Tuskar being chased down by the Clockwork, but he has haste rune, so he won't go down dito. At least, again, they managed to take down Alke, but Alke will still have that significant lead in terms of gold dito sa laban natin na to.
tower is under attack.
Ember with drums and face.
Dire's top tower is under attack.
Where is the Bounty Licious Hunter? The Bounty is hiding behind the tree line, mga kaibigan. He wants that the truck, mga kaibigan. Here comes the rocket. They want to chill for a chase. There is a sentry wards here, however. They might catch Bounty Hunter off guard dito pag pumasok siya. Oh, but Bounty Hunter won't pursue. Instead, Alchemist now heading towards the bottom lane. He goes for a Yasha for that additional movement and attack speed. Night Stalker with a hand of Midas earn. At magandang diskarte niya rito. Manta, I think, will be the next item for Alke in order for him to get rid of that amplification or amplify damage dito ng Slar. Bounty trying to gank dito. He is on the backside. Alchemist, boy, 3,000 gold na naman dito. They are looking really for a kill dito, mga kaibigan. Uy, they are starting to ping. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Here comes the sentry ward, and they will catch ito, mga kaibigan. Searing Chain connecting. Here comes the Clockwork hookshot, mga kaibigan. But the ultimate is doing it. Blade Mail para dito sa Clockwork, but he will still go down. Oh no, they've managed to take down 3. Tignan natin kung magkakapatayan. Slardar, he goes in, he blinks in, mga kaibigan. And that is a triple kill for your Wind Ranger. Alchemist is, well, not here. And he will escape. That is 4 heroes down on the side of Team Cypher, and that is track kills going everywhere. And that fight recap, as you can see, that is a 3k gold swing going in favor of the Cebuanos, and this might translate into a tier 2 tower. Gold now going in favor of Team Precious. Alke, however, trying to split push bottom. He is now up to 4,000 gold.
Is under attack.
Yeah, man. Alchemist, jungle mode pa rin, where Bounty Hunter is here. He will spot the Alke. He might go for a track dito, mga kaibigan, which is a ayan, tinrack na nila in Alke. Naku po, nahuli na naman ang Alke dito, and that is a dead Alchemist. And this might go for a Roshan dito. Wind Ranger now up with a Aghanim Scepter. Desolator completed on your Tuskar. The Dagger Deso for Tuskar. They have those physical damage burst that they need in order to take down Alchemist dito. And an Aegis going in their favor. Ember Spirit with Perseverance going now for that Battle Fury. They pop the smoke, but they will be spotted by ano yun, naspatan ba sila? Hindi.
Dire's top tower is under attack.
Ember trying to push the top lane. Bounty now up with Greaves. So they want to fight. They want to go to the mid lane, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin dito kung anong gagawin nila. Wind Ranger playing as bait. Alchemist now in the top lane, and nag-travel siya ron. So they will get the tower. He is now up to 5,000 gold. So, Manta style na siya dyan. So, Alke, Mantalicious na. Clockwork na with 4 staff. Blade Mail, 4 staff warrior Clockwork. Here comes the Acid Spray. Para anti-push. Here comes Ember going in. Wind Ranger now going for this tower. Pero here comes Tuskar. Here comes the Wind Ranger. He will try to take this tower down and he will successfully do so.
Radiant's middle tower has fallen.
They can now actually go for high ground pa dito since they have Wind Ranger with that Aegis and Aghanim Scepter. So pwede pa silang pupush dito kung gugustuhin nila. Tingnan natin kung pupuwersahin nila ang issue. Clockwork now preparing for a hook shot. Here comes Tuskar going in. They want to go for the maiden pero he will be stopped on its track and he will go down dito mga kaibigan. And that is a dead Tuskar. Clockwork going down pero buhay pa siya dito. Oh my god! And they will be stomped dito. CM's the only one dying. Wind Ranger will lose his Aegis of Immortality. Here comes... Patay mga kaibigan. Oh no, the unstable concoction stopping Wind Ranger dito. Wind Ranger popping his TP. And he will go for the rocks. Instead, he will die. And that is an Aegis wasted death on your Wind Ranger. But he will be able to complete the dagger. Manta has been popped. After that, meron additional 4k gold ulit ang Alchemist. Make that 4-1. So napakadaming ginto. Pero Alchemist is the leading hero in terms of network. Pero yung susunod na apat is now all in on the side of Team Precious. So Alchemist against 4 ang drama ng peg dito. Anong bibili mo if you are an Alchemist? Tignan natin.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Wala kasi silang sentry sa gubat nila. Hindi nila sinisecure yung gubat nila. Yun lang masasabi ko rito. Tuskar is here. He has dagger. They want to go for the kill on Alchemist dito. Alchemist will get a bounty rune. Oh my god. Bounty rune secured on your Alchemist dito. Here comes Ember Spirit being chased down here. Ember will be able to survive. And he will pop the dust in order to counteract itong Bounty Hunter. But Slardar now with the sprint. They want to go for a chase dito. There's the shards. Blocking Slard, the Night Stalker and Night Stalker going down. Alchemist continuing to farm dito. And he is now up to 6k gold. Ano bibili mo? Bumili ka na dapat mong bilhin. Yun lang masasabi ko sa inyo. Wind Ranger getting a kill on that Clockwork. Okay. 6-1 gold. Kailangan niya ng Abyssal dito. Art Abyssal. Wind Ranger going down sa kamay ng Crystal Maiden. Oh my god! Sinolo kill ng CM mga kaibigan. Grabe yun. Track at saka ano. Track, glimp back. Oh my god, pero delikado dito. Naku po, nasaktan siya. Wasak sana siya rito. And Alchemist survives mga kaibigan. Ember won't get that kill and Alchemist will just continue to farm with 6,400 gold. What is the next item for Alchemist? I think AC will be better. Heart will be much more better than dito sa laban natin na to. I think kailangan niya bumili ng gamit dito. Ano bang mga iniisip nito mga tao na to? Hindi ko alam bakit eh. May game baka ng 60 gold, meron kang Quelling Blade, meron kang bote, ang dami mong pwedeng itapon, ba't hindi ka bumili? Buyback, iniisip mo? Buyback ka pa rin kahit bumili ka sa dami ng ginto mo. You have 7k gold for God's sake. Hindi ka bumibili ng item dito. What is wrong with you? Maiden with Dusk and Maiden getting a solo kill on that Windrunner, that is a very big kill. Ito, anong bibili niya? Di niya maisip. He goes for a straight up Octarine Core, which is now the popular build for the Alchemist since you will be spamming that Chemical Rage. And the reduced cooldown is very good. Pero I think that should have been a heart eh. Pwede ng heart yun eh. Okay, now can spam Illusion anywhere in the map. Kita mo, bumili siya, may 2k gold na siya. Fury is now completed on your Ember Spirit. Manta will be on cooldown, pero he will just continue to spam out yung illusion niya rito. Top lane will be pressured here by the Dire side. And I think it will be, I think they will concede this tier 2 tower in the bottom lane. No, but instead they pop the fortification, try to delay the inevitable. But here comes a Alke trying to split push. Tignan natin kung habulin nila mga kaibigan. Alke with escape. And Alchemist will just TP towards that bottom lane. And we'll just delay this game in favor of them. Dahil actually Alke is now enjoying a 10k gold lead over the Wind Ranger, which is the leading hero in terms of network para dito sa side ng Precious. And Alchemist has one more, actually two more slot to spare, since pwede niya nang tanggalin yung Hand of Midas. Pero Quelling muna. Tanggalin niya Heart, AC, everything na kailangan niya in order to be tanky enough for them to win this game. Since mahina pa naman yung mga teammates na rito. I mean, hindi pa enough yung item nila dito sa laban natin na to. And Alchemist Illusion, just chasing, just dealing damage with the Trajan's Burn. And that will be enough to clear the creep wave. Since ang cooldown lang naman ng nito is 22. So every creep wave meron silang ano rito kung tutusin. Roshan is still down. Boy, they are heading towards the top lane. They want the kill on the Slardar. They sapated Slardar. So they are now marching towards the top lane. Tignan natin kung madadarag ba nila yung Slardar dito. At here comes a post. And go, thank you daw. Go, thank you.
That was nice of you.
So, both teams on the opposite side of the map, looking for potential kills or pick-off dito. Silipin natin. Ember, kulang pa yan ang item niya dito. Bottom lane being pressured here by Team Precious. My Precious. Wind Ranger now going for BKB. Kailangan na kailangan yan. Alke. 5,000 gold na naman. Ano na naman to? Ano na naman ang bibili? No Slardar. And the Wind Ranger, the Dars are getting rid of the Ancient. The Roshan pala. Masyadong mabilis nila nakuha ang Roshan dito. Alchemist. Patuloy yung pagpapayaman. More money matching gaming para sa kanya rito. Well, actually, dahil every 30 seconds nagsuspawn ng creeps, pwedeng spamin ng Alke itong illusion niya. Gano'n ba nagtatagal? 2 seconds nang walang illusion dito si Alke. So, he will be able to spam out those illusion to stop yung track dito ng spam pa rin no? Ano naman, ano kung napatay nyo? Eto na naman, illusion ka boy. Yan, ang ganda of having the Alchemist, a buff Alchemist dito. Pero they will get rid early of the illusion. Oh no, delikado dito. Nahuli yung Alke talaga, mamamatay. Pero hindi sila makapuwersa dito. Alam nila, pwede silang maubos eh. And Alchemist with 5,000 gold. What is the next item for Alchemist dito? Sitting currently with 2,000 HP pag walang ultimate dito. Ay hindi, may ultimate yun. And just like that, Alchemist again, popping that mata. Hindi titigil ang illusion ko. Hindi nyo kami mapipigilan. Hanggang dyan lang kayo mga pabebe. Ito na naman siya. Talagang sinakil niya. Nagalit na siya. Ito, akit na sila. pop that Crimson Guard. Wind Ranger with the BKB and Aegis. Ito na, Slardar going in. Here comes Alchemist. He will pop that ultimate. Slardar with the BKB. They want the kill on the Alchemist dito. Pero Alchemist has buyback dito sa laban natin na to. Clockwork going in. He is low on HP. They are about to take down dito. Maiden going down as well. That is double buyback. They forced double buyback and that is a very good win. Actually, they managed to take down 3. Doon sa engagement na yun.
I'll return the favor.
Beautiful. Beautiful Dota. Ngayon, bumili ka na Alki. Wala ka na rin naman buyback. Eh, di bumili ka na ng gamit.
Dire's bottom tower is under attack.
Alchemist.
Radiant's top tower is under attack.
5,200 gold. What is the next item to counteract this push? Ano ang kailangan niya? Alchemist Illusion. Pressing the top lane.
Radiant's top tower is under attack. Radiant's top tower has fallen.
Hindi na afford ng Cypher matalos ng clash dito since they are nag-force buyback sila rito. No buyback available on Alke and Clockwork at the moment. Matagal-tagal yan. 5 minutes siguro yan. And meron pang Aegis to work with etong team ng ano rito. Precious. So delikado. And ano sila rito? Kailangan bumili mo na ng item nito. Bili ka na ng BKB which is a good item. Buy BKB now. Hindi. Naku, bumili ng heart. I think BKB should be the item, not a heart. Kaya trip niya yan. Night Stalker now with the Naganim Scepter. Here comes Wind Ranger going in with the Shackle Shot. Here's the BKB. Here's the silence and this Ember Spirit will go down. Night Stalker to follow. Oh my god, that is a beautiful Shackle Shot coming in from the Wind Ranger and that might win them the game. Alchemist is not ready, not prepared to defend this. Tignan natin, Clockwork being chased down dito. There's the Disruptor. Oh no, Wind Ranger is low. Tignan natin kung mamamatay siya rito. They focus on the Alchemist and this must be GG if Alchemist goes down. This is game and this is the Cebuano taking down 4. They lose the Wind Ranger but it is an Aegis. So that is a full team victory and they will secure themselves a set of racks in the mid lane or even in the top lane since there is no buyback available on each of the 4 heroes dito napatay sa side ng Cypher. And this might be over. Davao winning the game. Wind Ranger. Focus fire dito mga kaibigan. Focusing. Then there's the Tuskar Punch. -7 armor on this tower. And they will successfully take that tower. They are now going for this melee racks in the bottom lane. They want 2 sets of racks dito.
Bottom barracks are
Focus fire. No fortification however. And they will successfully take that secondary set of melee racks.
Radiant's bottom barracks has fallen.
And Alchemist is down for the 4th count. Kailangan niya kasi ng BKB in order to survive those assault. Pero instead opting out for a Heart of Taras which will give them additional 300 health and 40 strength. So wala, di pa rin siya makaka-escape sa disable. And with Wind Ranger, with Aghanim Scepter, BKB, this is I think a completed MJO or even a casual maybe a Daedalus or Chrysalis for your Wind Ranger. Alchemist still down. 11k, 1,100 gold na lang ang pera ni Alchemist dito. Hindi niya, alam mo, may mga bagay talaga di kayang bilhin ng pera. Napakalungkot man sabihin, pero napakalungkot Kuya Eddie ng Alchemist na to. Again, this is the National Cyber Collegiate League game number 5. 2-2 ang score. Best of 5 series and Team Cypher. They are on the rope. This is now a game to lose by Team Precious, pero I don't think Precious papakawalan pa na nila to. Ang laban natin na to, they are now grouping towards the top lane and they want to take this the last line of defense. Ember Spirit with just a Battle Fury. Sad Ember, 37 minutes, actually almost 40 minutes into the game. This is just an Ember with a Fury and this is a Sad Ember Spirit. No way for them to defend with a Fury. At least yung may Daedalo siya, it will be possible, pero delikado sila rito. Alk without buybacks. Isang shackle shot lang ng demonyo ulit mga kaibigan ay kaya silang tapusin dito. There is a post by CITU. Napakalungkot ng buhay. Hop! Resume post. Tactical post mga kaibigan para sa CITU dito. Wind Ranger is still gone. At hintayin natin mag-resume ang laban natin dito. I think the problem in this Alchemist is wala siyang BKB. Opting out for a Heart of Taras instead of BKB to avoid those controls coming in from the side of Team Cyber. And kung bumili siya ng BKB, that is a 10-second BKB. And they will be able to defend this. Here comes the Wind Ranger mga kaibigan, trying to go man mode laban dito sa tier 3 tower. Alchemist forcing them back, but it will just delay the inevitable. At tignan natin kung etong Team Cyber will they be able to hold the high ground, the last tier 3 standing dito mga kaibigan. Still they have all their range racks, but the melee racks are down. So tignan natin dito, nagbabop up lang sila rito. The Crystal is on your Wind Rangers. There's the Shaco shot on the Illusion. Ember Spirit also trying to delay, but the track and the toss will give it damage dito. Alke 2,100 gold. Alke, kailangan mo ng BKB in order for your team to win this game. What to do? Bounty Hunter with Solar Crest, Greaves, and Vlads. Team item ito na mga kaibigan. Oh no, Alchemist being caught down. He will go down, and that is what you get. If you don't have BKB, you don't have a buyback, and this is game. And the Cebuanos, they are about to take the championship dito mga kaibigan. Clockwork hooking in. Cog also missing. And this might be the game mga kaibigan. The Cebuanos, they're doing it. Ateneo de Davao, can you hold on dito sa laban natin na to? They lose 3. Bounty Hunter going down. There's the amplified damage. Lardar wants to go for more. Wala akong pakialam sa Blade Mail mo. At yan ang sabi dito. And here comes Lardar finishing the job. GG has been called, and it is Team CITU Precious from Cebu. Dahil nanalo kayo, magbubukas na sa November 5 ang Mineski Infinity sa CITU sa Cebu. Kita-kits tayo dyan mga kaibigan, and congratulations to Team CITU. Props to Team Cypher of Ateneo de Davao, and this is Duno from Mineski Team.